Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. I am honored to be standing in front of you and telling you about myself. My name is RABEYA BOSRI. You can call me Rabeya. I am from Ghazipur. I have lived in Ghazipur for past 19 years. I am from a middle-sized family. I grew up in a family of 6 members. There are my parents and my sisters. My father is a farmer and my mother is a homemaker. I am the third one of 4 siblings. I think we are quite different, but still we are a very close family. I take after my father. Actually, I am the spitting image of him. Unfortunately, I don't see a lot of them because now I am living in another city. Come to my study. I passed my SSC from Sripur Gov Pilot High School and my HSC from Ghazipur Cantonment College. Currently, I am doing my bachelor degree in nursing science at Dhaka Nursing College. My hobby is reading books. I like almost every kind of books. My favorite writer is Humayun Ahmed and Dr. Jafar Iqbal, sir. My favorite color is blue because it suits me well. My favorite subject is microbiology. I really like to know about the microorganisms like virus and bacteria. So that's all about me for the time being. Thanks for listening me. Have a good day. Thank you.